Hello with everyone, my name is Miguel Bustillos and I will explain my simulation assignment about glucogauge, a product by Matterhorn Health, produced by Matterhorn Health. Well, first, before to get inside the point, I will explain some information about the background of the product. Well, Matterhorn is a company that produces a new glucogauge, that accompany with all the standards provided by FDA and ADA. The machine didn't exceed uh, the limit of 10% of inaccuracy range. Well, glucogauge also uh, later when they release a product to the market, they see reports that the product have inaccuracy rate result of 30%, 3% rate of inaccuracy. That affect a lot of to the officers of the company. And to clarify that those issues, the company proceeds to develop a research in order to see where the causes and well find and also to find a solution of the causes. Well, according to the research, they found that the exposure of the device to high temperatures mixed with with a humid ambient will cause an overload of the microprocessor. Also, the device under control. Well, also it was proved that the device under control condition didn't present any change on on their accuracy levels. They provide an exact level of accuracy. And also, well, the second problem was caused because of the inappropriate use of the device by the customers. In this case, the consumers. It was uh, well. They also, as a last finding, the inaccurate readings was caused, caused by the new generation of strips. So the solution that I found was to first invest in a communication campaign to show the doctors and nurses how properly use this device. The second one is to invest in explicative posters that ensure the in a didactic way uh, how to use the device to the customers. Also, invest in explicative videos and a particular classes that will easily help the customers to to that easily help the customer to correct their use and also to do it good do it well do it well their readings, their glucose readings. Also, they to advise the customers to switch the to the oldest strip provider, because the newest provider of strip, they're causing misreading in their devices. Also, they're overloading their microprocessors. And well, as finally as a conclusion, and in a medical business industry, the failure are not permitted because the product will affect directly to the health of and welfare of the consumers. In this case, the customers. Well, the glucogauge was a product previously tested and was approved by the FDA mandates and also the 88 standard, so they fulfill all the requirements. But the company never expect that the wrong use and exposure to uncontrolled environment will develop failures to the device will function. The product was submit to pertinent procedures, finding the cause to deal with them avoid the present of future issues. As well, as a manager, the welfare of the company employees is a fact, so it's an important matter to me. That's why my choice was the first one. The first one that consists in provide uh, 3 months supply of strips, and also um, instead of use the second option that was on my perspective uncertain, because it gave me a 33% of probably success. So that would be playing with the welfare of my employees. Well, at the end, the company invests in in the protein improvement, giving the product a positive final results. Well, that's it. That's the end of my exposition. Thank you for your time. Well,